If your child has a smartphone or you're planning to get one for your child, then you might want to watch this video to the end. My name is Frederick Nnamdi Ibembo. I am a smartphone business consultant. I'm the CEO of Movio Consult. At Movio Consult, we teach smartphone users how to turn their smartphone addiction to a six-figure business. And over the past 1 year, we've trained over 1,000 smartphone users, digital skills they can leverage on for business purpose. And then we began thinking about the number of children that are getting access or owning a smartphone device today. Whenever I talk with parents or adults about smartphones and children, they're always talking about the negative things the children are doing with their smartphone, neglecting the fact that children can only abuse what they are ignorant of. No one educates the child about the smartphone technology. At school, they are told not to bring their smartphones to school, and they are even taught ICTs that isolate smartphones as if it is also not a tech device. Well, we are introducing Smartphone Productivity Club, where we are going to be educating the child on smart and productive use of the smartphone. Our curriculum is aimed at achieving 3 objectives: teaching the child how to use the smartphone to boost his academic performance. Number 2 is how the child can improve on his or her mental capabilities using applications that is already available that they are not aware of on their smartphone. And finally, we want to teach children about the right use of social media. We want to let them know what really the social media platform is about and how they can use it to fuel their own passion. You might not know that the best paid YouTuber listed by Forbes as a 2-time highest paid YouTuber in the world is a 9-year-old child. And it's all because the parents introduced the child to the right use of YouTube. And we want to do the same for your child. We want to teach your child how the smartphone device can be of great advantage to him or her. If you want to enroll your child to Smartphone Productivity Club, you might want to click the link down below or follow the link that is already displaying on your screen. Or if you want to learn more, call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen right now. At Smartphone Productivity Club, we inspire smart use of the smartphone amongst children.